Hey, Cody. You hungry?
Wish you wouldn't have said something. Now my stomach is over here barking. It's like...
I'm not really sure what that means. I'm not really sure what's going on in your stomach if it's making noises like that. I really don't
I
understand.
don't know if I gotta poop or if I gotta eat.
I'm not really sure how I feel about that.
Oh,
I don't really know.
Walking around all day.
With your stomach making awkward noises at you.
No, not until you said something.
Well, I really want some McDonald's because it's Sunday and I can have sweet tea, so let's get some sweet tea. And then your stomach will stop doing what?
Going... Stop sounding like it's about to run a pro drag. Harley Davidson.
Feed me.